What is up, folks? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today I have something really exciting to share with you. I have a new Kickstarter watch that has come in, and today we're going to do the unboxing, but because it's something a little bit special, we're going to have to come back and take a deeper dive into it in the future. But guys, I could not wait to get this freaking watch opened with you, so I figured I'd do the unboxing and then we'll come back and dive into it a little bit deeper later. Today, we're going to be taking a look at an AlpinerX hybrid smartwatch. One of the first hybrid watches that I've gotten in, which is kind of freaking funny considering the fact that I'm an IT guy in general, and I got into watches to get away from technology. I wanted to get away from technology with what I do in my spare time, so I got into watches, and what do? I go and find a hybrid watch. So let's tear into this guy and see what it looks like. Before we jump into it, the watch of the day for me is a previous Kickstarter watch. It's that Zurich Trappist 1, that red and black Zurich Trappist 1 from Zurich.com or Zurich Watch Company. Had a couple Zurich watches now and like them, but can never for the life of me figure out what the hell to wear them with. So 9 times out of 10, I wear them in videos with you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that, guys, so you can follow us in the future, and you guys will be able to take a look at a boatload, whatever, just a shit ton of new watches that I have coming in on a daily basis. So, as I mentioned, this is a Kickstarter watch that I recently just received in, like recently within the past week or so. And I was excited about it, wanted to get it to you. Incidentally, this watch did ship from Switzerland, and I can't wait to dig into it. Now, I have had one Alpina on the channel before. However, I haven't had a whole lot of Alpina watches in my life. Kind of, I don't know, that's weird. Just the whole box design. Let's get this guy open, get this box out of my way. And, all right, Alpina. Let's see what we have in here. Thank you for your purchase of the AlpinerX. Now, one thing I will point out about this before I open this box is when I participated in the Kickstarter campaign for this watch, towards the end, they sent out their survey, and I didn't realize until the last minute you could pick all sorts of different color combinations and basically have this watch custom built to you. Now, I spent some time and went back and created a watch with the color combinations that I wanted at the time, but that was months and months and months and months and months ago. I don't freaking remember what I selected. So let's hope I wasn't feeling like a moron that day and picked something stupid. So it's the Alpina watch box, nice leather case. And in here, we have a quick start guide. Then we have the international warranty. And then we have the warranty and instruction manual. Now, this is a hybrid watch. So what that means is that it's got some technology in it. And from what I've read anyway, some people are having problems a little bit with the technology. So let's open this guy up and hope I didn't pick a stupid looking color. And what do we have? Oh, look at that. Evidently I chose an interesting color combination, which I'm not sure I like. I don't know what the hell I was thinking that day. This is interesting. I really must, I honestly don't know what I was thinking that day. Like, I don't get it, but whatever. Let's open this guy. Just a little tag, and you can see right there, that's the model number, and it is custom because I customized the bezel color, which I'm not sure why I did that because it doesn't look great. And I customized the strap, which again, I'm not sure why I did that. Customized the inner bezel ring. It's kind of confusing me. One thing I will say is that this watch is very, very light. I'm not sure I'm happy with this one. I don't know, guys. This one's gonna have to grow on me a little bit. I don't remember the size and the dimensions. It looks like it's about, I'm gonna call it about 12 to 13 millimeters. These are 22 millimeter straps. And this strap, it reminds me of an old carpet. I'm not sure why I selected this strap that day. Quite honestly, this could have been a drunken selection. I don't know, which is kind of a shame because I was really, really excited about this watch. But again, I'm not sure why I chose these color combinations. I'm kind of pissed at myself. The crown, I don't know, it just doesn't have like a real solid click to it. It feels kind of plasticky. See if I can figure out how to make this thing work. I'm sorry, I was saying crown, it was the bezel that I was talking about. It feels kind of plasticky. The crown, however, does feel plastic. I do believe that crown is plastic. And I think these pushers are plastic as well. And I don't know how this works. We're gonna have to go through and read the quick start guide for this Kickstart watch. But I'm going to hold out some judgment on it. Maybe these color combinations will grow on me. Maybe I had a method to my madness at the time of selecting this. This is definitely a watch strap, unlike anything I have had previously, so maybe that was part of it. I don't know. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have to go through and read the quick start guide. I'm going to have to download the app on my phone. I'm going to have to get this thing set up and see how it works so I can figure it out and come back and show you guys how this AlpinerX from Alpina Watch Company works. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take off. Definitely look towards this review in the future once I can have some more time with it. But if you want to see this watch on my wrist, don't forget you can follow us at Instagram /watchaddiction.us.